Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the GoPro Suction Cup mount.
RTA Victor.
Do not try to adjust the picture. A new form of television is here.
So let's go ahead and just get into it. We have a bag also. That's really nice. I didn't even know it came with a bag. What it'll do is you'll suction it to it like this. You'll place it on, and then to suction it you will push that down, and now you have a very low profile mount. And then you can also tilt this part here. You can take this part off, and let's see here, you can place this here if you don't want a quick clip, or you could place, oh, and then you could also place that one right here on the arm. So you could have the arm also pivot and stuff. So you screw this part on here, like so. Now make sure it's lined up. And then you'd have it like that on the suction cup. And you could put the arm on. Stick our thing back on here. Okay. And then you can also have it like that and stuff, so you can change the configuration to the way you want it. Now here's obviously the suction cup on the bottom here. So let's go ahead and try it out because I'm a little excited. You press this down, place it, then you pull the lever over, and that thing is on there, and it is not coming off. To test our suction cup mount here, we have our GoPro Hero 3 with the frame. And your GoPro is mounted, and then you can adjust it, and also really low profile if you really want it low profile, or something, I guess. You can turn this part around, so when it's on the GoPro, or when it's on the thing, really mount your GoPro low profile like this. Oops, hang on. Now you can mount it on the side of your car, like so, or you can use this guy right here and put it even lower. Here's the lowest profile you can go with this suction cup. And this suction cup did not come with any camera tethers, but I guess that's okay. Now you just get your GoPro. In this case, if you are on the side of a car, you probably want to use the side mount, which is right here. You just snap the link in. Use the small thumb screw it came with. Grab our GoPro here. Grab our GoPro. Put it into the suction cup, and that is the low profile you can get with one of these, just like that. So anyway, that is the video on the suction cup mount. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. whoop,